Reading is great, but let's be honest, sometimes we just want to sit back and listen. That's exactly why I decided to make reading a thing of the past. Instead of turning pages, I wrote a few lines of Python code to convert a large text into speech and save it as an MP3 file. No more reading endless documents, let the code do the work, while I just sit and listen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make reading optional with the power of Python. Let's dive in. First of all, you have to open a code editor such as Visual Studio Code or PyCharm. I choose Visual Studio Code. After that, you have to install two Python packages, pyttsx3 and pypdf2. To install these packages, go to the terminal and type pip install pyttsx3 pypdf2. Then you have to write a few lines of Python code. If you haven't any coding experience, don't worry, because I have shared the full Python script on my GitHub, link in the description below. Just go to the link and copy the script. Then you have to create a Python file and paste the copied script on that file. You can convert a TXT or a PDF file into an MP3 file with this single script. To convert TXT to MP3, comment out or clear out the PDF to MP3 section. I have already commented on that section. Then you need to make a little bit of change in the script. Here rate means speed. If you want to increase the voice speed, then change rate -20 to rate +20. Change it based on your expectations. I don't make any change on it as it seems to be the proper speed. Next, you have to change the destination path of the MP3 file. Replace the text between inverted comma with your expected path where you want to set the MP3 file. My MP3 file will be shown in this music folder, which is now empty. Let's run the program. Now give your TXT file path here. I will convert this large TXT file into an MP3 file. Paste your path here and press the Enter button on the keyboard. Wait a few minutes. After a few minutes, the program says, successfully converted from text to speech. Now I will check the MP3 file in the music folder. Let's open it.
Imagine this, a world where the digital and physical realms merge seamlessly, where virtual elements interact with our reality. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is exactly to discover how AR evolved. Imagine video calling a friend or adjusting your calendar.
It works fine. Look at the time duration of the file, which is more than 27 minutes. Now I will convert a PDF file into an MP3 file. To do this, comment out or clear out the TXT to MP3 section, then customize the voice rate or speed if needed. Next, set up your destination file path of the MP3 file and run the program. Now you have to give 3 inputs on the terminal. First one is the PDF file path. I will convert this PDF file, which is storybrand.pdf. Paste the path here and press Enter. Second one is the page number of the PDF file, from where you want to start converting. Enter based on your wish. Third one is the page number, where you want to end. Give the end page number and press Enter. Wait a few minutes. Now it has been converted from PDF into an MP3 file. Let's check it out. Here it is. Let's open it.
The beautiful thing about clarifying our message using the SB7 framework is it makes communicating easy. No longer will you sit in front of a blank page wondering what to say on. And finally get our businesses growing again.
It works properly. Now that you've seen how easy it is to turn your text or PDF into speech with Python, why not give it a try yourself? Feel free to comment below if you're facing any difficulty. I'm here to help. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Python automation tips and tricks.